I have got to pull over for this one. Hang on a second. What's up everybody, it's your boy DroneXfactor, and today I'm going to share with you why I think what I think, not what I know, what I think. Guys, today's video is pure speculation. I'm sitting here, I'm driving, and it comes to me. I just had to pull over. I just had to pull over to share my thoughts. I'm watching all of these videos with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and I'm thinking to myself, there's something striking. There's just this one thing that stands out. Now take a look at the DJI Mavic Air. Take a look at the DJI Mavic Pro. Take a look at the Phantom 4 Pro, Phantom 4 Advanced, Phantom 4 Standard, and even the Phantom 3. All the DJI drones pretty much. And all the drones, like the Autel drones for that matter of fact, what have they all pretty much have in common? Even the Parrot and Nafi, that the DJI Mavic 2 Pro does not. Think about it. What do they all have in common that the DJI Mavic 2 Pro doesn't? Here it is, guys. Take a look at the camera. I think, in my opinion, just my thoughts, this could be the boo-boo that caused DJI to reschedule the event from July to August. I think they made the camera, they produced the camera, and then when they went to make the filters, they realized, well, how's the filter gonna go on? How are we gonna make filters for this camera? I don't know about you, but for me, I don't see any way to screw this on and screw this off. It seems like an awkward fit, unless the threads are like on the inside. I don't know, but I'm driving here and I'm thinking to myself, could they have messed up the camera design, making it this rectangular kind of a shape? Would that prevent the lens from screwing on and off? The UV filters? How are they going to get the UV filters? How are these aftermarket companies are going to make filters for this drone? And a 1-inch sensor, don't get me wrong, is all beautiful and great, but without a filter, how's that gonna work? Because this could be it. Like, maybe this is the reason. So all I'm saying is, guys, don't be surprised if the DJI Mavic 2 Pro comes out next week in August 23rd with a circular camera. I don't work at DJI. I certainly have no inside info. This is just what popped into my head from reflecting back and watching videos about the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Guys, share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think this could be a problem? Do you think DJI knows what they're talking about? Do you think that I just had like the really most stupidest thought and pulled over to make this video for like a really dumb reason, and the camera's gonna come out looking just the way it did in the photographs with filters that is going to fit beautifully? I mean, what do you guys think? Do you think this could be a problem? I might be onto something over here. List it in the comment section. Guys, hit thumbs up, hit like, hit subscribe. Find me at DroneXfactor on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Twitter. Don't forget, guys, head over to my Patreon account if you're not a Patreon yet. Become a patron and hit subscribe, and you earn the chance to win a DJI Mavic 2 Pro, but I'm giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros. That's the plan. Check this link to see how I plan to do it and how you can benefit from these 6 giveaways. This is your boy DroneXfactor, and I've got to be flying out.